G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another Queenstown video. As you saw in the last video, we did the Macetown trip. Today we're doing a trip, I don't actually know where we are. I think it's Robbins Creek. We've got a subscriber here, Sean. He messaged me, he's like, hey, do you want to go wheeling? And of course I said yes. So me and Dad are in Dad's diesel disco. Unfortunately I couldn't bring my truck along for this trip. But yeah, we're going along in his TD5 as well. And yeah, we're just going to go see what sort of tracks he has for us today. Unfortunately it's not such great weather, the river's up a little bit. So we'll just keep an eye on that. And yeah, hopefully the weather holds out. It's kind of cleared a little bit. But yeah, we'll go hit the tracks. Sean's just airing down now. We've still got our tyres down from yesterday, but yeah, let's go do this. Check this out guys, unbelievable views, like just snow on the mountains. Loving this. Anyway, gotta go jump back in the truck so we don't cause too much of a hold up. There's been a lot of rain and snow melt coming down these tracks. As you can see, there's basically just creeks running the whole way down the trail. So you can see how these roads get eroded away, but this is awesome. Oh yeah, decent downhill. This isn't too bad going down, but might be a little interesting coming up. I'll be sure to film us on the way back. Oh, there we go. Not a bad wee spot to stop off. Alrighty guys, well we've made it to the lunch spot. As you can see, we're on this like slightly snowy, loose hill. It's yeah, pretty slimy. But I know we'll have a nice wee lunch spot. It's unreal. Unfortunately, before this trip, I tore my gumboot apart. So I'm in these shoes and I didn't know there was going to be snow and my feet are freezing, but oh well, it's all good. Things you do for the vlog. Anyway, we'll have some lunch and then continue on. Living the dream. Right guys, well that's lunch done and dusted. From here I don't know if you can tell, but it's quite a off-cambered hill. We've got to make a turn on it and back up, so I'm going to stay here and film while the others probably slip and slide around a little. We'll see how we go. Oh, easy as. Not too bad at all. It's very doable. Anyway, we'll watch Dad have a crack. So from here we're going to continue further on up the track, see what's up there. Apparently it gets pretty rough, so we'll you know, find a good spot to turn around when it starts getting bad, and then head back, shoot back into Queenstown. Anyway, let's watch Dad have a crack at this. pretty slippery. No, more berries. Alrighty guys, well it's getting a bit rough for Dad's daily. Fair enough too, it's a nice shiny truck. So we're going to turn around here. Sean's just shooting off to see if he can find a nice wee turnaround bay or something. Otherwise we'll have to do a 1,000,000 turn here. But man, the views are just amazing. Absolutely amazing. So yeah, we'll just hang out here while he tries to find a turnaround point. And yeah, we'll go from there. Looks like he had no luck finding a turnaround spot. Alrighty guys, I didn't actually film us coming up this because it was pretty lumpy and bumpy, but yeah, this was definitely rough. We'll might get a bit more footage of us going back down though. Not much of a rock step, but what you can't tell is with such a gradient, even a small rock step like that suddenly becomes a bit of a challenge, especially when water's running down it. Behind me, we're pretty much back out at the main road. I thought the day was pretty much done. I was getting all ready to close out the video, but Sean said there's another track up a different valley, and we've got a bit of spare time. We're doing pretty well for time, so we're going to go have a play up there. So more wheeling, it's always a win. Yeah, you got pushed by the current. It's just a really fast current, so we'll have to be careful we don't get pushed around too much. Alrighty guys, well, come across a bit of a washout on the track. Oh, far out, looks gnarly. Also, you can see the river's real browning up now. You can see up there it looks hazy. that's rain in the headwaters. So I don't know if we'll go much further because this looks like it might be a end of the track. Yeah, it's a bit of a washout. Bit of a washout. Yeah. There's a fair amount of water moving through there though. Alright guys, well there's obviously no way around there, so we're gonna turn around and head back out. Alrighty guys, well firstly you can see I stole the driving seat. But yeah, no, it's just started, well, just stopped again, but it's been hailing last probably 5-10 minutes. Yeah, it's really clagging in, but we're nearly back at the ford. That's going to be the only interesting bit. We're watching the river, it's getting pretty brown, so we'll cross the ford. Should be sweet. Alrighty guys, I'm far out. The wind has just hit, it's insane. That's why I'm standing around here, because if I stand over there I think we'll be blown away. But nah, it's been an awesome day. Huge thanks to Sean for taking us out, showing us some awesome tracks. Without local knowledge, you know, we'd have never found a track like that. So it's been an absolute cracker of a day. Thank you all for watching. I don't know if the next video will be another wheeling trip in Queenstown or not. It kind of depends on the weather as to if we go out tomorrow. If not, we've got the winch challenge next weekend, which I'll be filming for. Got the media pass, so that's a bit of a win. We'll be getting lots of video of the comp trucks hooning around. But yeah, stay tuned for heaps more. Soon I hope to be back behind the wheel. My truck's currently nearly back on the road, so that's exciting. So hit subscribe to stay tuned for that. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Awesome touring overlandy video. And yeah, I'll catch you all in the next one. Cheers guys, see ya.